Hello, my name is Kseni and welcome to today's practice. In this video, we're going to talk about one of the most important Qigong exercises for beginners, lifting the sky with both hands. It is the first movement of BaDuanJin, or the 8 Pieces of Brocades routine. This exercise is an ideal starting point for the beginners due to its simplicity, holistic benefits, emphasis on deep breathing and posture, as well as sustainability for all fitness levels. The movement is straightforward and easy to learn, which makes it great for Qigong beginners who are unfamiliar with the practice. It also helps to build a solid foundation for more complex Qigong exercises. Without further ado, let's get to the exercise. You want to begin in a standing position with your feet underneath your hips, shoulder distance apart. Take a moment to feel your feet firmly planted on the ground. Softening through the knees, adjusting the tailbone position and the pelvis, bringing your tailbone a little bit forward until your lower back feels nice and flat. Continue following your spine, making it nice and tall, relaxing through the shoulders. From here, begin to raise your hands up to shoulder height. As you reach your shoulder height, you turn your palms up as we continue to lift. Positioning our hands directly over the crown of the head. Spiral, both palms are facing the sky. Then begin to lift and elevate your entire body, slowly coming up on your toes, feeling the engagement and all of your body. Then spiral your hands back, sinking your shoulders into the torso, begin to come back down to the ground. Hands follow the movement and the relaxation. We repeat again. Take your time to feel the muscles and connective tissues as we engage the muscles, as we lengthen upwards. Then begin to relax step by step from the head, through the neck, the shoulders, upper chest, upper back, into the ribs and the middle back, into the abdomen and the lower back. Relaxing into the hips and feeling grounded through the feet. We repeat again. Go slowly, prioritizing the physical sensations, building a stronger connection between the mind and the body. Drawing the hands back. Here we get to relax step by step. It feels comforting, pleasant, like a wave traveling down. Until you relax completely, continue to feel that wave internally. We do it again. It feels as if you're being lifted towards the sky. You're lifting the clouds over your head, supporting the heavens. And then drawing the hand down, cultivating a sense of relaxation. traveling down your body. We repeat. Keep your breath as natural as possible. The more you can relax the body, the more relaxed your breath becomes. Focusing on elongating and then feeling the relaxation on your way down. Relaxing every muscle in your body. Relaxing the joints and the connective tissues. And we repeat one more time, going up. As we lift, maintain a good posture, good alignment, without letting your butt stick out, putting a lot of pressure on your lower back. Keep your tailbone under, lengthening through the spine. And then on your way down, slowly, again, pay attention to your alignment. Sinking the weight all the way down through your hips into the center of your feet. And last one. Pay attention to the back of the neck. As you begin to lift, everything is beautifully elongated. And then we get to relax and soften in our own body. No need to carry that tension. Feel grounded, feel soft, feel present. Well done. One element of that movement as well is the emphasis on the front of the body. So now the arms come up. We shift the weight towards the balls of our feet to engage our toes as we lightly supporting the heavens from the front. Then drawing the hands down again, we get to relax the face, the front of the neck, the collarbones, the chest, the front of the ribs and the waist, the abdomen, into the hips, all the way down to the feet. And again, like this wave coming up, opening, touching the sky, elongating through the front of the body. Then drawing the hands back down, we relax. We repeat 4 more times. The breathing is calm. Slowly we enter in this state of relaxation, mindful awareness, being present in a body, feeling and recognizing the physical sensations, the language, the communication with our body. On your way down, you're feeling grounded, strong on your feet, relaxed in your body. One more together. Sending the wave of relaxation through your entire body. Take a moment to notice how you feel. We've done 6 repetitions. You can do a lot more. Practice up to 5-10 minutes. Just this one exercise. It has a lot of benefits for the physical body, for the energetic body, for our mental state and nervous system. Well done. Finishing the practice. Nice movement to center ourselves. Moment of stillness. And relax. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this short introduction. Let me know in the comments below this video if you like lifting the sky with both hands, and if you got value from this video, don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. And if you want more guidance and more in-depth tutorials regarding the 8 pieces of brocades or this particular exercise, check out my membership site. Until next time, I wish you great health and keep on practicing.